Prior to my spine surgery done in 2011, I was experiencing a lot of pain down my left leg and could not lift it at all. I had taken painkillers, but also decided to contact an orthopedic doctor for an opinion. I tried to get an appointment with one of the leading spine surgeons in Bombay and was told he was too busy to see patients, new patients, but would depute one of his assistants who would decide if I needed to see him. I did see the doctor and he did the usual testing, walk in a straight line, etc. He said my condition was not so bad, just take painkillers and try to walk and exercise, even though I was not overweight and have never been. Feeling a bit dejected, I went to do an ECG, which was overdue as I have LBBB. I went over to a hospital right opposite the place where I had consulted with this doc. And to my extreme good luck, while I was waiting for the report of the ECG, I saw this leaflet with a spine on it and asked the assistant who was getting the report ready about it. He said, this is a doctor who specializes in spine surgery at our hospital. You can take the leaflet, read it. I then set up an appointment and saw this young dynamic doctor who ultimately did say, after looking at the reports that I had from previous years, that I did need surgery. I was impressed, but my children and husband decided to do some more investigation, as he told us that he had done a stint at Cornell Medical Hospital in New York under two of the best spine surgeons in the US. My older daughter made the appointment, went to see these doctors at the Cornell Hospital, as she knew them very well. Their opinion on Dr. Sharma: he is an excellent surgeon and certainly would recommend if your mother decides to do it in India. Dr. Amit Sharma knew we were doing this, as it was with his knowledge that this was done. I went to him again and said, Doctor, if your mother had the same problem, which doctor would you recommend for her surgery? And without hesitation, he said, I would operate on her myself. My mind was made up. I had the surgery done at Prince Ali Khan Hospital, one of the best hospitals that he was connected with. An excellent hospital, excellent staff, and doctor kept assuring me that there was nothing to worry about. He performed an excellent surgery on my spine and I have not looked back. It's now over 5 years that the surgery was performed. I have good posture and walk straight with no problem. I am eternally grateful to him and have no hesitation in letting anybody and all know that Dr. Sharma is a fine surgeon with a humane touch. In continuation of my last video, I had recently hired a gardener who said he had a handicapped child at the interview. I hired him with his family who stay with me. I asked him to show me his so-called handicapped child, a 12-year-old boy, Aditya, as I had seen him playing in the garden with his brother but did not notice anything unusual with him. I called him over and asked him to show me what he meant. He lifted his shirt and there was a huge protrusion in his back, like a swelling, which I touched, and he said he had no pain. The father showed me the x-rays taken at a government hospital a couple of years back. I could see a curved spine. I immediately forwarded this to Dr. Sharma and he told me the child has scoliosis of his spine. The remedy was surgery, which he said he could do. Dr. Sharma operated on this child, which was a great success, a 9-hour surgery at one of our leading hospitals in Mumbai, Saifi, which doctor is attached to. It is now about 6 months ago that Aditya has also been going to school with some restrictions, no bending, etc., until doctor sees him again soon. His progress has been fantastic and the father is eternally grateful to Dr. Sharma, as we are, for the surgery done on his older son.